Welcome back to the channel. If you've been trading on Deriv, you know that timing and emotion are your biggest enemies. Today, I'm going to show you how to take the guesswork out of the markets using PivotCore.net. This isn't just another tool, it's a professional auto trading platform designed specifically for Deriv traders who want discipline and speed. In this session, I'm putting a specific strategy to the test to show you exactly how the automation handles the pressure. We're focusing on the even-odd strategy today. The beauty of PivotCore is how it executes these trades with millisecond precision. My goal for this session is simple but realistic. I'm going to run 10 trades. My target? To secure 5 solid wins. In trading, you don't need to win every single time to be successful. You need a system that manages your risk and follows a plan without hesitation. That is exactly what we are setting up right now. Watch as the platform takes over. As the trades start rolling in, notice the interface. It's clean, fast, and gives you real-time data. We are looking for those specific digit patterns. On Deriv, doing this manually can be exhausting, but here, the bot identifies the entry points based on the parameters we set. We've hit our first few trades, and the consistency is exactly what we're looking for. No panic, no over-trading, just pure logic. You might ask, why use PivotCore instead of trading directly on the D-Trader? The answer is automation and safety. PivotCore.net acts as a bridge that allows you to run complex algorithms on your Deriv account seamlessly. It's built for those who want to level up from manual trading to a more systematic approach. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, having a platform that stays disciplined for you is the ultimate edge in this market. And there we have it, 10 trades, 5 wins, and a successful session completed exactly as planned. If you're tired of emotional trading and want to start using professional-grade automation, you need to check out PivotCore.net. I've left the link in the description below, along with our community Telegram for any questions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more automated trading strategies. Let's grow those accounts together. See you in the next one.